Now, some people will complain that Wealthy Affiliate doesn't teach new methods of affiliate marketing that actually work, but clearly it does, right? So if you look at their classes, they teach you all these different things. They teach you even AI. They're keeping up to date with the trends. They teach you SEO. They teach you YouTube, copywriting, social media marketing, sales funnels. And if you look at SEO, for example, they've got tons of classes, including ones that were just recorded this year. And they've also got special classes as well for the premium and premium plus members that are they have multiple classes every week. So Wealthy Affiliate does keep up to date, and they do teach you methods that work. So as you can see, I went on an incognito on YouTube and I searched Scale Nut demo, and so you can see that my video actually ranks on the first page near the top, even though my channel is very small and the video only has 18 views. So the techniques that you're going to learn on Wealthy Affiliate for SEO, for example, are up to date, and you can use those techniques to be able to rank your videos like I did. And actually, I made affiliate commissions from this video as well. So let me show you that. So I'm just hiding my name here for privacy, but you can see this is a ScaleNut website. This is my page. And so with one referral, I got $89 in unpaid earnings because they provide a 30% recurring commission. So from the videos that I made on my small channel about ScaleNut, I got only 11 clicks and one person actually bought it. And now I'm going to be making about $45 every single month for as long as this person stays subscribed, and they've already been subscribed for 2 months. So 1 minute video, a 2 minute video can literally get you so much affiliate commissions, and doesn't even take that long to make a video like that. So the techniques that you learn on Wealthy Affiliate are not outdated. They do work, and even though people complain about this, I don't think it's valid criticism. So if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use the link in the description and create a free account. Now, if you're wondering if Wealthy Affiliate gives bad niche picking advice, then click this video showing up on your screen.